Okay, so this is my new stihl 2-in-1 sharpener for chain. So I think it was like $30 some. I also bought a couple chains too, so ended up, or a couple of files, so it ended up being a little bit more. I filed a couple chains with it, and seems to work pretty good. It's a little bit heavy, but it's got all the things in it. So here is one of my things that I just filed here. I seem to have gotten it pretty good, I think. File down the raker. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Kept a consistent angle. Got a good tip on it. And filed down the raker a little bit. And this is something that I just did. I just got it and put it in this vise here, because I can't clip it in that bar like I thought I would be able to. So this is what I did. I took it off my electric sharpener, because I can get it sharper with this tool here, the stihl tool. And I just clamped it right in the vise like that. So yeah, it's really simple. I've always struggled with filing the rakers, that's why I bought it. So like that one isn't sharp, and I don't have any place to set the camera, so I will stop it and show you when I'm done. So finished that tooth, took about a second, did 4 strokes, kept the angle, filed the raker, just come on, focus, there it is. See, it just filed it a little bit, just like it should. But boy, those new stihl files there that they have, and these, boy, they really cut. So yes, they definitely work really good. I definitely get one. And if you see anything wrong with my with how they look, comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.